Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make Tenmusu. Tenmusu is rice ball with shrimp tempura. Let's get started. This time, I use Spiny lobster. It's called Iseebi in Japanese. This is an expensive shrimp in Japan. Separate the lobster's head and body. Insert a knife into the gap in the shell. Remove the body by twisting. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world, updated every Friday and sometimes twice a week. Please subscribe. Tie the lobster to chopsticks. By doing this, it will not bend when boiled. Then, take out the lobster brain with spoon. This will be used later for tempura sauce. Boil the lobster. Boil plenty of water in a pot. Put the lobster. Boil head together. Boil gently over low heat to prevent the lobster's beard and legs from coming off. Boil 2 to 3 minutes. Pull up when the lobster turns red. Next, make tempura sauce. Add 50cc soy sauce, 50cc mirin, and 100cc dashi in a small pan and put on high heat. Bring to a boil to remove alcohol. Add lobster brain and mix well. Boil over low heat. When it boils to about half it's done. Next, make tempura butter. Break the egg into the bowl and mix. Add 200cc of cold water. By using cold water, the gluten of wheat flour will not become sticky. When gluten becomes sticky, it doesn't have a crispy texture. Add 140 grams of flour. I recommend soft flour. Add in 2 to 3 times. There is a surplus of tempura batter, so please try making various as a tempura. This video introduces how to make basic tempura. Please check. Then remove the lobster shell. Separate from chopsticks. Make a cut in the shell with scissors. Make cuts on both sides. Pull off the shell on the belly side. Separate with scissors. Make a cut at the base of the tail. Insert a knife between the shell and the body and remove the body from the shell. It's convenient to use an oyster knife. Skewer the lobster. Sprinkle with flour. Sprinkle both sides. Put tempura butter on lobster. Put plenty of oil on heat. Heat the oil to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When you drop a small amount of tempura butter in oil, it immediately floats up, which is the right temperature. But it's good to use the thermometer. Put lobster in oil. By inserting from the edge of the pan a lot of fine tempura butter that's floating up will add here and it will look beautiful like a flower blooming.
Oh yeah, very good, perfect.
Drain the oil on the tray. Sprinkle the plenty of tempura sauce. Prepare a bowl of cooked rice. Remove the skewer. Wrap the tempura in rice. Mold in a triangle. By the way, Tenmusu is famous as a food in Nagoya. That's one of the Nagoyameshi. However, actually it's originated in the neighboring Mie prefecture.
It's done.
Do you know that? Finally, decorate the lobster head. Decorate the lobster head. However, it's heavy and doesn't ride well. But I want to put it on. This is difficult. Give up. It's done.
It's super voluminous. The sauce using shrimp brain is very rich. This is luxury. I would like to introduce values as a creative onigiris. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.